Welcome to Stump Knocker Garage again. In this episode I'm gonna remove the panel, inside panel of the door for the 1955 Chevy pickup truck. Pretty much first time it's ever been opened, and I'll show you how to gain access to the inside. First, removing the screws from the window handle and the door locking handle, then loosening up the screws of the inside panel. I've done some of that already, and at this point just show you a little faster version of it and the inside. First, loosening all these screws, I used a number 3 Phillips, and of course they're rusted inside a bit, so the hammer drill I actually pushed in quite hard, and I went in the locking direction just a bit, just to break whatever I had there, and then I backed up. So it pretty much worked on all of them. Some were pretty anchored in there with time, but I managed to loosen them all up. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 of those. And for the door lock handle, there's one screw down here. I've already loosened that one up. It's a flathead, small, a little bit uncomfortable. I actually used the long handle flathead screwdriver to get in there. That helped me. The small ones, stubby, are not good. So I was able to actually get that in there. And this, there's no motion, just left and right there. This one, for the window, put it in that position. And the reason is, the screw is on this side, and for the screwdriver you have a lot more leverage here as opposed to if it were to be down here, which I had tried, and it's very difficult because of the hand. So just turn this to this position. So here you take, I've already loosened them up, but this screw comes out. This comes off, and there's that escutcheon I think they call it. It's a little barrier to hold it from rubbing on the metal. And on this one, for the window channel, this one comes off as well. And that little escutcheon is pretty much gone. I removed it before. There was nothing left there. And then these guys come off. Put a little bit of the PB blaster, but it's very hard for it to get inside when they're all screwed in, so not sure how much help that is. So this panel, they hold it inside with some kind of tar just to hold it in place and stop some of the moisture from getting in. Pretty much been there forever. And that's the inside. Inside door panel, 1955 Chevy pickup truck. So I'll go with some PB Blaster on all those, and right now I'm gonna oil up the door lock, the window mechanism, all that. Start cleaning it up. Thank you for watching.